Well, it's 9:30 a.m. in Princeton, and we don't really have that much snow. Yeah, it's about 2 inches.
Snowpocalypse never happened. Pretty disappointing.
He summed it up perfect. So for the start of the day, I need to get this out, but we have this big machine in the way. So. Right, so that's out of the way. Now it's time to get that snowball. Just did the walkway and the engine stalled on me. And you open up the gas cover and you realize why. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's completely empty. Yeah, bad planning. Number 2. Hey guys, this is my waterproof camera. I'm using it for vlogging this whole thing. And because I can't plan very well, I didn't charge it. Luckily, I brought the charger out, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of charge. But I'm gonna get some work done while it's charging up, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay, so here's the thing. Whenever it snows like this, I usually do a couple neighbors' driveways, and my other neighbor usually helps, but I think he's at work today. So that's neighbor number 1. I'm gonna go and finish it up later. This is neighbor number 2, and I'm gonna get started underway with the shovel and a quad because it's not really working that well. You see, it isn't shooting as high as it should. So try doing this one-handed. Better. Actually, a lot better. Now it actually was working and stuff. Chat with my neighbor, and one thing to know when you're doing snow blowing is just to watch out for the newspapers. I once got a newspaper stuck in my snowblower, and I had to burn it out with a torch. So yeah. But anyway, over there, the one I just did, that house is now done for the most part. I'm gonna come back and shovel them, but time for the next one.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I got one stuck, and I'm really pissed off about it right now. So. Number 2 is on that snowblower, I ripped the pull cord, and the only way to get the engine started is to plug it in and start it. So I think I remember, this is my neighbor's house, but I think I remember there being a plug somewhere over there. Yep, there it is, an outlet. We were home, grab an extension cable, get that thing started, and take it home and try to get that newspaper out. Extension cord in hand, hopefully it's long enough. Should be. My neighbor's gonna finish up the driveway, probably do everybody else's, since I could easily spend a couple of hours getting rid of that newspaper. But first things first, let's get this started. Grab the extension cord. Just out of desperate attempt because I can't find my torch, I just tried to run it. And I think it did a pretty good job. Look, I guess the snowblower isn't so big after all. All the newspapers just lying there. It just decided just to chop it all off. So I'm extremely happy about that. I don't have to like spend hours on this, and I can get back to work. Well, not the best. So I got another newspaper stuck, but I think I can do this pull same trick. So head home, get that extension cord again, and hopefully this one won't be a pain in the ass. Alright, extension cord plugged in. I gotta find the other end. Oh, there it is. Let's see. No, it's really. So, yep, like this, plug it in.
20 minutes later.
Last little bit of work for the day. Just gonna take the shovel and finish up one yard. We'll get time lapse going for you, and then we'll be done. Now, we're almost finished editing it. I just have to add, it's gonna record right now, and then it should go up on YouTube. Yay!